guys. Yun ang top. The summit one. Whew. Kaya natin to. So, bukod-bukod ako ilong guys. Nisel flaring guys. Whew. Grabe. Nisel flaring. Look at that guys. Oh, I miss mountain climbing. Yahoo! I'm going to the peak. Mika. There's a lot of poo of lump. So, missile flaring guys. Yes, there.
She's coming up this way.
Yeah. I make it. I almost make it in the top. Struggle is real. This is a struggle is real. Wow. Always on the top. Well, always on the top. I'm gonna make it. If you have a dreams, you can make it. So goes. Guys, I'm always almost on the peak, so there's only a small rocks, but not totally, not so a bit slidery, slippery. So yeah, it's the land of the lump, isn't here? Look. I'm almost on the top. I hope I can make it. Look at the other side. That's so awesome. Grabe. Okay. Just good. Hangak is real. Lord, hangak is very real. Almost made it. Almost on the top. Almost on the top. My heart is busting. Just Lord. Oh my God. Didn't you think I can make it? My knee. Oh. Oh. Look at that. I'm going up there. Look at that. It's a valley there. Oh, I hope I can make it. One more time. It's getting there. Basically, hindi naman kayo malulose dito guys. Hindi guys sa Pilipinas na very complicated. Ito, okay lang. Hangak is real. Struggle is real. Still okay. My friend. Hi, friendy. Hi, friendy. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Skylexus, guys. Please like, comment, and share with this my friend at the back. Whew. Guys, I made it. I'm top of the hill. I'm on the summit, guys. Oh. Ah. Another achievement again. I'm on the top of the hill. This is the summit. Grabe. I made it, guys. Super made it. Grabe. Look at that. There, from there. So basically, ito yung summit na, ito yung pinaka-peak na sa kanila. So very amazing. Ito ba twist ito dito? But yeah, very awesome. Wow, this is so great. Wow. I'm on the top of the hill. Huh? It's so good. So yeah. Oh. So look at that. Look at that. Whew. I made it, guys. I made it. Going now, guys, going from there on the top, going down now. Whew. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Skylexus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment too. Oh, my friend Lam is here. Look. Ta-da! Hi! Gosh, there's a lot of plum, guys. I made it, guys, to the summit. But it's so very slippery, so if you came in here, you need to wear your proper gear. So have a proper shoes because it's very slippery. And actually, guys, doon sa taas, makikita mo sea clouds doon daw. Kaso it's sunny, so hindi natin makikita. So, hira lang. Siguro pag cloudy, yun, makikita natin yung clouds. Matatouch daw natin yung clouds. Parang sa Pilipinas, sea of clouds. So, ngayon kasi summer, tsaka hapon din. So, hindi natin makikita. But still, lucky kasi nasa summer, makikita natin yung sunset talaga, yung araw. Whew, so lot of land. So, ang dami nila. So, very... Oh, I made it! I made it! Oh, there. Baby! So, yung guys yung doon, magsisimula pa lang sila. Me, I'm going now. Oh, it's been a long way. Grabe. Natapos din. I hope nag-enjoy kayo doon sa taas, guys. If you're a mountain climbers, lovers, you can go in here and pick district in Dovedale. It's a very nice place in here in Ashbourne or Straffordshire. So yes, come in here. Wear your proper gear. Okay, so look at that, guys. They're going now there to the top. I've done ready, so it's time for me to go home and relax. I hope, guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa konting hacienda in here in mine. Ang daming tupa. Alat, so plum. Grabe. Super enjoy talaga, guys. Nag-enjoy ako ng sobra at ng bongga. Grabe. Umide. Pero nasal flaring, guys. Tada! So, yes. So, yeah, nasa magandang kapaligiran. Very nature. Sarap. Saka pakiramdam. Nakapag mountain climbing uli. Ang daming tupa talaga, guys. Napapaligiran ka. Super. Yung akyat ko kanina. Ang una nagpapatibok din pala ng puso mo, guys. Yung mountain, yung papakyat ka. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko. Daming tupa, guys. Tupa. Hello. Dami nila, guys. Sobra cute. Bye, guys. Until next time. Bye.